Hello guys, this is LegoMotionz. Today we're here with the Lego Technic container truck, set number 42024. And you can add the power functions kit, which is what I've done here. And you can see the motor through there. Flip it like this. See? Then you turn this knob up here, the steering moves, and then we're going to turn it around to see the switch. You see this small switch right here? It moves the mechanism in there. That does that. It actually does a dumper function. But if you do this, look at the outriggers right there. You'll see that they move down. Then we move that. And it comes down like this. They're putting the container on the ground so they can load it up. Now, over here, the doors open. You can see it has a little interior, steering wheel, some seats.
Alright, thank you for watching. Please click that subscribe button. Be sure to like or dislike this video. Please don't do that. Thank you for watching.